We had a great dinner last night.
Yes, we did. And it's considered a special experience. It was the 360 experience.
We're Sail Away with Bruce and Eileen, two seniors on a mission to help you cruise smarter.
Wow, that was a 360 experience. First, we sat in a circle in the room.
Right, and there was
video screens
all around us.
And from above, the projectors changed our tabletop from being basically smooth flat to stones, tile, twigs, leaves, flowers, lemons.
And characters that would move around. So that was so fun. And they had music leading us in. There was a saxophonist. They make it a real event.
We did take some pictures, which we're showing you as we're talking here, but we did not film it out of respect for the experience. We want you to go that. We highly recommend you go to it, but we don't want to really tip our hands too much as to what the experience is, because you need to experience it.
It is $149 per person, at least at this time on this sailing, but it's well worth it. It's a 7-course meal, and every 2 people, you have your own waiter, and it's all choreographed. They come in, their whole movements are choreographed. It's really, your dining experience is also a show.
Yes, we like the Plus package on Princess because of the gratuities, the Wi-Fi, the drink package, and the specialty or casualty dining, not specialty, but the casual dining includes. I don't really think the Premier package is that much of an upgrade because you get a little bit more expensive drinks and you get the specialty dining every night, which tends to book up. I would highly recommend getting the Plus and then getting an experience.
Getting one of these experiences. Yes.
It's less money in the long run, and it's something you'll think about versus just having another steak dinner.
Right. So we highly recommend the 360 experience. So let us know if you've tried it and what you think of it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it, and it doesn't cost you a dime. Thanks for watching.